In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity. Think of Perplexity as your intelligent research companion. It helps you ask questions in plain language and quickly gathers reliable information from across the web, presenting it clearly with sources you can check. Whether you're planning a trip, studying for an exam, or tracking market news, this walkthrough will show you the core features so you can get great results right away. Start by going to the Perplexity website. Right on the main search bar, you can ask anything. Be as specific as you can. Include the goal, any constraints, and the format you'd like. For example, instead of Paris, try plan a 3-day Paris itinerary with a focus on art museums and local cafes. After you submit, you'll see a concise answer, links to sources, and often follow-up suggestions. If the response isn't quite right, refine your wording, add context, or ask a direct follow-up. Clear prompts lead to clearer answers. Next, click on Home. This is where you can pick helpful modes such as travel, academic, sports, and languages. These options guide Perplexity to tailor its responses. Travel can structure itineraries and packing tips. Academic emphasizes citations and explanations. Sports focuses on teams, stats, and results. And languages can assist with translations or practice prompts. Use these modes when you want the system to frame answers in a way that fits your topic from the start. Click on Discover to explore various topics. This area highlights timely themes, research ideas, and trending questions. It's perfect when you're not sure what to ask yet or want to see how others are approaching a subject. Skim through topics to spark ideas, then open one to see example prompts and answers. Use what you find as a springboard for your own query, adjusting details to your needs. Now click on Spaces. Spaces are like organized project folders. Here you can create your own space to upload files, collaborate with teammates, and set AI instructions so the assistant consistently follows your preferences. Add documents you want Perplexity to reference, write a short description of your goals, and set guidance such as tone or formatting. This makes ongoing research easier and keeps everything in one place for shared work. Finally, click on Finance. You'll find sections covering U.S. markets, crypto, earnings, and more. Use this view to get summaries, compare companies, or track major releases. Always check the linked sources for details, and consider timeframes when reading market updates. That's it. Go to Perplexity, use Home to choose helpful modes, browse Discover for inspiration, organize work in spaces, and dive into finance for market insights. Happy exploring.